Okay, dynamic NAT operation. All of the public IP addresses inside the global NAT are available for device. Dynamic NAT, a single identity address, outside address, the pool must be large enough to locate thoroughly. Okay, so basically what is happening inside here, let me show you the diagram. So we configure the pool. Okay, we say this is the pool actually. Access list, we can also configure IP NAT inside source list, inside and outside. So we apply this inside and outside. That's a dynamic NAT operation. Show IP NAT translation and show IP NAT status. Okay. Show you in the diagram configuration how we. Configuring NAT. So first of all, we are going to configure the a one PAT example. As of now, what is happening? Okay, just have a look. I'm turning the, for example, so you see when I turn this debug ICMP on this router and I try to ping the 172.16.75.10. Okay, so you will see on this router okay, basically you can see the reply is coming, the message is coming from 192.168.10.1, this IP. But when you apply the PAT actually here, you will see what is going to happen. So basically, first of all, the first few steps are, this is my internal NAT. Okay, and the interface 101 will be IP NAT outside. Okay. Then IP NAT command outside source list. That list will be access list. We haven't done the access list, but access list will be just to specify the traffic. Okay, let me find access list, for example. don't have this command. So just one second. Basically, some of the commands are not existing. So one second. NAT. Uh, give the name of the tool, for example, NAT. So this 210.1.1.1. Okay, this is the PAT, IP NAT inside source list 10. This is the source list 10, which is referring to our internal traffic. Okay, and this is the interface F01 overload. What we are defining here, that if you want to go outside, use this IP address to communicate to the outside world. So let me try now. Okay, yeah, here you can see. So IP NAT translation, that's basically what is happening. It's taking the outside IP address. Okay, internal IP, inside IP is F0, traffic is coming from F0, going to F01. How many hits we have, how many miss we have. So it's a troubleshooting command, show IP NAT statistics and show IP NAT translation. So interesting thing, I just want to show you the NAT translation. This is our inside global IP address, inside local IP address. Traffic is coming from here. Outside global IP local address and outside global IP address. So basically, you see at the end of each IP there is a port number as well. This is a unique table it built every IP address because actually it's taking the IP address of this machine. Now, if we go and you see, previously the traffic was coming from 192.168.10.1, but now this router, see the traffic is coming from 2111. Okay, so this shows our PAT is working. Okay, Is it clear? So what is the configuration? First of all, show run on the each interface. From the internal interface, we need to type the IP. We need to say, so we need to say 00, we should say IP NAT inside. So 01, we should say IP NAT outside. So the private range where the traffic is entering, we need to say IP NAT inside. For the outside, for the global IP, we need to say IP NAT outside, right? Then we need to type this command, IP NAT inside source list 10. And though that source list 10 is referring to this access list. We'll do the access list in a minute. This access list is defining the interesting traffic coming. Okay, then we're saying interface F01. So if you want to go outside, take the IP address of the interface. Okay, that is why when you see the traffic is coming, previously it was coming from 192, but now it's coming from 210.111 from this interface. So outside world knows that this IP address is communicating to them. They don't know the actual IP address of the machine. Is it clear?